Hey guys, I hope you're good. So today I'm looking at AUDCHF, which is like not the most popular pair, but yeah, we'll do some analysis on it. I believe that you must learn how to do analysis on all currency pairs. So if you see an opportunity, then you should be able to grab it, because if you limit yourself to specific currency pairs, then you're probably gonna run out of opportunity. So you must learn to trade using all the currency pairs. So not an easy currency pair, but I believe that the more you practice, you'll be able to get it right. So I'm looking at AUDCHF, and I'm gonna use a lot of wave analysis, and then I'm gonna combine with some other technical analysis stuff. So yeah, let's see. Looking at it from here, I'm on a daily time frame, so that's where I see I'm getting it like a better view, because I think on other time frames I'm seeing something a bit different. Let's look at H4. Yeah, it's a bit squished. Let's see. I think we have like a break of a trend here. Nope, not working for me, because normally after, just like I taught you on other videos, how I count the touches, I need 3 touches, and when I need 3 touches, I'm not counting where I start drawing the trend line. I need 1, 2, 3 touches, or if I'm not getting 3 touches from the bottom, from here, I need a touch and 2 retests so that they can make it a total of 3. So for now, this is not a trade for me. So that's why I'm gonna start with the higher time frame. Let's see on a daily. Right, from a daily's point of view, we see a trend. Not necessarily a trend, but like there's a pattern. And on a daily time frame, there's a pattern. But if you look at this, there's a downtrend. Even though there's a pattern, but we are still in a downtrend. We haven't changed the direction. So just gonna draw my trend line. I've also showed you how to draw a trend line on one of my videos. Obviously, in the trend line, you can cut the wicks. It's okay to cut the wicks, but do not cut the body, right? So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see from the top. Let's see. Do you have a touch here? Yes, we do have few touches, right? And then remember how you apply a lot wave. If you're in an uptrend, you start from the top. If you're in a downtrend, you start from the bottom. So this is a downtrend, so we're gonna start drawing our arrow wave from the bottom. So this, obviously, looking at it, it's not gonna be ABC. There's more touches. So but let's prove if this is not ABC touch. Let's see. Start that touch. See, so our C, obviously based on seeing the price coming back from it, shows that our C failed. Our C was supposed to be a long impulse, a big impulse. So our C bounce here and is going up, so which means ABC is not a pattern. That's fine, that's okay. So we can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because there's 3 patterns. There's 2 patterns. There's ABC and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you can go back to my previous video, I'm also posting about it. I posted about it. So you're gonna look at the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 one. Just like we start, just like downtrend start from the bottom, uptrend start from the top. So we're gonna start counting from here. Let's see what do we have here. What do we have here? So we've got 4. So now looking at this, our 5 is supposed to give us an impulse to the downside, right? Even if the price is going up, based on a lot of wave analysis, on the 5th touch, it has to give us a big impulse to the downside. Probably maybe this size, or probably even that size, right? So why did I jump this to 1, 2 and went straight to a 3rd one? Why did I do that? It's because after the price touch here, it never went to touch the bottom, right? It must touch the bottom. It must touch the bottom trend, right? So that we can be able to count it as a touch. At the moment, it's still bouncing at the top. It never went down. That's why I've skipped this part, I've skipped that part, and I went here. From here, it went and touched at the bottom. That's why I'm ignoring these touches, because they did not bring the price down, right? This is what brought the price down. That's why I've label it as my number 4. So now we're looking for the price to come here to finish the 5th touch and give us the sales. So meaning from here, once the price pushes up to 5, we looking at the long-term sales. Even if you can look at something like this size in terms of the sales, so but you're looking at long-term sales or a sell and a breakout, so we're expecting this pattern to be broken. So normally when I do analysis, I normally use 2 time frames. So if I'm analyzing on a daily, then I'm gonna go check what happens on a week. If I'm analyzing on a 1 hour time frame, I'm gonna go and check what happens in H4. So I'm just gonna look at what happens in a week so that I can find a bit of confirmation. Right, okay, we have a downtrend on a week, which is good. We are not against the trend, and on our 5th touch we're gonna sell, so which is good. So let's look at the trend. What we have here, very nice. So we've got 2 touches on our weekly time frame. So looking at this and matching with our theory, this is a nice pattern. So we can somewhat look at probably some of the possibilities, right? That this price might come here and give us this, something like this, right? Something like this, and probably after getting a bit of a touch, or sometimes even giving us sort of a wick, then from the price we might be looking for something like this to the downside. But we might, the pattern might finish before even touching the trend line, or it might give us sort of a consolidation, then from the touch, then push to the downside. So those are the things that we're looking for. So you're looking for a 5th touch here to push to the downside, or the price might give us something like this: consolidation, then a touch and push to the downside.